So right now we are working on this in-person event. And I've been looking all over Peerspace for a location. So I found one location that's like in Tribeca. I don't know, I'm not from New York. In Tribeca, and it looks like a really great location. It's like 2,000 square feet. Really cool, right? It'd be dope to have this conversation with other marketing professionals and creatives around the state of digital and just content creation. Then I saw a review. So the review said, great space, but the person kept charging. Event hosts, or the host of the space, I should say, kept coming to their event and then looking at whether or not they were using different things, and then they upcharged them for the things that they were using. And here's the thing, I really like the space. I think it's a really cute space. We're gonna have a dinner. We'll have like refreshments and have a conversation. It's the state of digital conversations, marketing for the future. That is what we'll be talking about. I've had this conversation so much offline. I'm like, we need to take this in person and really have this conversation and dive deep into it. But I don't know about this spot. I don't know about this location. So then this makes me think, like, do I need to look for a different location? Because I don't want this person to upcharge me for every single thing. What do you guys think?